Alright guys, so if you're Samsung TV, of course this is the software on the older models. If you want to fix the grayscale problem, so as you can see here, the entire screen is gray. I'll try to show you. This might be your own personal TV. Of course, it might be a TV somewhere that you are, that you're out. And of course, the TV is not normal in terms of the color. This is how you fix it. So go to get your remote, hit menu. From here, go to general, select general, go to accessibility. Let's say go to grayscale and turn grayscale off. There you go. So what's going on here? If you go back, you'll see that the TV is fixed. This might be a personal TV. It might be one in a guest house. It might be one in a hotel, you name it. All right, so that's how you do it. And of course, the color problem will be fixed, and it will fix and turn back to its normal colors. Hope that was helpful, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.